Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we will be working here on the Ford Fiesta ST 1.6 turbo engine. We will show you how to remove and replace and where it's located the fuel rail sensor. Okay, the pressure sensor on the fuel rail. A few tricks will be shown in the video guys, how to avoid accidents, okay? Even though it could be a dangerous job because it's part of the fuel system. Make sure guys you subscribe to the channel. We have more than 200 videos on that car. Taking everything apart, we probably uploaded more than 100 so far. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So what we will need to do, we will need to go ahead and open the hood. Okay, and once you open the hood guys, okay, we have to remove the engine cover right here. So this engine cover has 4 bushings holding it, so you need to grab with 2 hands and just start pulling on it, but careful not to break it. You have to firmly hold it. Okay, and you can see that's the cover. Okay, that's where the bushings go. Okay, 2 and 2 on this side. You can see they go in this right here. So once you remove the engine cover guys, okay, you can see right here, this is the pressure sensor, the fuel rail pressure sensor on that Ford Fiesta. But if you remove it, this thing will be under enormous amount of pressure and it will leak out a lot of gas, might spray in your eyes. We will show you how to reduce that risk. You still have some pressure, but you have less pressure. So start with the engine completely cold, not after you drove the car, because if gas falls in the exhaust or hot engine block, anything like that, you can set the car on fire. So no smoking or anything like that. We're going to remove the fuse box and we're going to locate fuse number 11. Okay, number 11 is this one right here. This is for the fuel pump. And we're going to start the car, okay, and that way we'll start it until it dies. You hear it will start it first and then it's going to die. Okay, let me grab the key quick. That way it will burn the excessive amount of fuel and we will not have as much in the fuel rail, hopefully. Okay, let's see. You can see still running, and because it has some fuel in the high pressure pump right there, and it will start misfiring and running out of fuel. Okay, right there. It's almost running out now. That's it. It died. That's how we do it. We don't want to spill too much gas. So if you're okay with it, don't do it. You can skip that step. But now you can see that's where the sensor is. So you need to press in right here. Okay, and pull it out. But that thing is too tight. So you need to go in first. Okay, then. Okay, you can see it's still not coming out. You have to help it a little bit with a screwdriver because it cannot jump that tooth. Okay, right here, but you have to be careful not to break it. Okay, perfect. Okay, we disconnected the wire right now. So we'll go ahead and get the clip remover too, and while we are doing that, we need to remove that hose out of the way so we don't break it, that breather hose, vacuum hose, whatever it is, because those are very fragile. Right here on this side, okay, you can see that you can just lift it up a little bit, but you can squish in on both sides, okay, and okay, start pulling it out, okay, like that. And I'll just put it on the side here. We don't have the correct socket. I think it's a 27, don't know for sure, but I came from this side right here. And now it's very important not to look there. Keep your eyes out of the way, eye protection as well, gloves, because it might have pressure. We might not have any because we ran the car. Okay, and we don't. You can see. And this is guys the sensor right here. So we get a new replacement sensor guys, and you install it. You gotta make sure you don't get any dust in the fuel rail. If you do, you can say bye bye to your injectors, and those are expensive. I mean expensive. So we're going to get it tight now. It wasn't too tight to start with, but just make sure that it's tight. Okay, perfect. Now we'll connect the wire Okay, here we need to install the hose and the clip. And one important step, okay, we need to install the fuse. Not to forget the fuse. And the first time that you're going to start the car now, okay, it's going to take a while actually to start. And we're going to go ahead and test it to see how long it's going to take, so you know what to expect. What I'll do, okay, probably turn the key on and off about 3-4 times before you start it, so the fuel pump can build some pressure. Okay, you can hear it running and then it stops, so let's go ahead and see if it's going to start. It fired pretty quick actually, so that's pretty cool. So that's it guys, thank you for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come.